put the bird feeder up in the air, probably about 20 feet off the ground, right outside the window. Took them about 2 weeks to find it, but once they found it, forget it, they're enjoying it. So it's pretty cool. You don't know what you might see out there. I know these little house wrens and sparrows are having a good time. And then sometimes the blue jays take over. But they're pretty cool, enjoyable. And I got the fire going, first fire, so little fire and bird watching. It's not a bad thing to do. Nice and relaxing. Beautiful day. Here comes the blue jay. Yep, there he is. Drives everybody else away. And he digs in. He's choosy. Kicks half the seeds out. It's funny.